Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. My son, my youngest, he's 9. He was just telling me, Mommy, how come all your videos ending or beginning with the same sentences? People will get bored. But I'm not so creative. I know he is correct, but I'm not so creative, so I keep saying the same sentences. It's just like a habit. But I hope this finds you well. And for the following recipe sharing, it is Indonesian dish again. It's a soup, beef soup that has a darkened or black broth. We call it rawon. The black broth is using black nut. We call it kluwak, and it is only grown in Indonesia. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. See, I'm ending it the same. Sorry, but again, see ya. Bye. The beef cubes. This is regular beef that I cube myself. This is about 2 kilograms. What we have here is 10 pieces of keluak, which is black nut from Indonesia. It is soaked in hot boiling water and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna have to squeeze it with our hand. You can use spoon obviously, but this much easier with your hand. You can wash your hands anyways. If you want to sort of mash it so it's dissolved into the water. So we're gonna saute 2 lemongrass, 10 kaffir lime leaves, paste made of onion, garlic, and candle nut. Also, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander in 1/4 cup of oil. This is using Instant Pot. I also forgot to mention 1 thumb of ginger into the paste. I'm gonna add or list the ingredients on the description below. We're gonna add in our beef and we're gonna coat it with the sauteed paste or spices. Once it's coated nicely, we're gonna add in our keluak, the black nut. When it's like this, you can hear it crackling. You can see it as well. We're gonna add our black nut. We're gonna add water, about 5 to 6 cups. Then season it with 3 to 4 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. You can use beef powder. I like chicken, it's more flavorful. And then the rice is cooking. We're gonna set the Instant Pot into soup option. Set it to soup and we're gonna leave it until it beeps. Now your dark black beef soup is ready to be served with warm rice. Bon appetit!